watermelon update. This one is a very nice one. It's huge. And there's one over there. It's nice too. And there's one over here. And there's one over there. One there. One there. One here. And one there. And one there. So here has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are 5 watermelons. So I just covered the watermelon with just a little mesh wire. I'm not sure how much this can give it protection against the squirrels or whatever. I don't know. But at least I cover some. Birds have been eating my tomatoes. Squirrels too. Oh, there's one here in the pot. Looks good. That's one. And there's a small one here. So cute, pretty. Oh, there's one here. Then you can see, oh, there's one there. There. And let's see. Oh, there's one here too, hanging here. And there's one here. And there's one over there. Okay. So far, I do not have time to come here to hand pollinate. I only hand pollinate 2 watermelons. The rest were pollinated by pollinators. I need to come here more often. If I get a chance to, I'll be able to hand pollinate some more watermelons. So maybe I can have more than just 8 watermelons. You know, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants. You know what? 8 plants. If I can get the 8 watermelon, that's pretty good. Yeah. Let's hope to have 10. Today, I want to fertilize some watermelon. Fertilizer and this dirt. Now I want this year I really want my watermelon to do good, so I will bury some stems of watermelon into the soil to give more area to produce roots, to grow more roots. You know, I should trim this few days ago to let the wind heal, but I think they're okay. Okay, I will cover with more more dirt. I mixed earlier. Whoops. Get more. Okay, and then I cover with straw. I just want my watermelon to get the maximum nutrition from the dirt. Maybe just like this. Okay, and then I cover this stems. Oh, the stems I cut a few days ago, so it's wound is already healed. I bury this long stems into the soil. Now I have to make sure no more digging. Remove this little branches here. Don't want too many. Growing watermelon in the pot nutrition is limited. That is why I want to use this method to see if I will get some watermelon this year. Okay, it's done. I hope this method will help my watermelon to grow better. I will do this to each part of the watermelon. So I have 7 parts to go. I will continue to do the same way to my watermelon. Hope it will produce watermelon later on. Yay! Okay, earlier I pruned the leaves of the watermelon and buried stems under the soil. I feel like I need to prune my watermelon first, then wait for a day or two to let the wound heal before I bury them into the soil so they don't catch disease. So I decided to cut the leaves down. Then I might do it tomorrow. So let the wound heal. For this plant, I will want to bury these long stems all the way, almost a foot long from here, almost a foot long stems to bury into the soil, maybe even more. So I will want to cut from here. So this looks like more than a foot long. Same as this one. Okay. Then I will bury the stems tomorrow. I will continue for the rest of the watermelon.